Alright, what's going on, guys? I know it's been probably over 2 months since I recorded my last video. A lot of stuff has been going on in those last 2 months. What's been going on? Alright, guys, so one, we got kicked out from HOA. So many of you guys don't know, but the HOA president is my front door neighbor. So him just seeing all these cars, and then he clearly knew we had a business going on. So yeah, so it was a great 10 months, but you know, the time has come and we got kicked out. So that's why we no longer operate at my house no more. So that's what's going on. What do we do now? So we are mobile. So if you guys follow the IG, you guys know that we are going out to the customers now. Just got back from Asheville and Knoxville. So very cool trips alongside working, so double. Let's see, what's upcoming? Well, guys, if you guys are watching this right now, me and Connor are most likely in Colombia right now. We decided to take a great little vacation for 2 weeks, and we're going down to Colombia. So it should be very exciting. I'll make sure to vlog a little bit more of that. What else? Goals for the future. We have a lot of goals for the future, guys. Just keep being better. But yeah, guys, we're about to get started on today's install, so let's do it. All right, boys, we're at Connor's now. So we're at Connor's house. So the car for today is a Charger. Not crazy, calm little Charger. He's gonna be getting 700 stars. Beautiful, beautiful Charger. But if you guys are wondering, this is our setup for some days. So this is Connor's backyard. Very nice. So this is where we do some of our installs if we're not mobile. But yeah, guys, so we're about to get started. Start disassembling this one and then trying to knock it out. All right, guys, so I completely forgot to record the uninstall. So we just got that headliner all out. That's how it's looking. Very nice. So we're about to set up and then get started. Just like that, guys, just finished up the stars on the headliner. It's roughly been like not even an hour. It's currently like 11 right now, so moving pretty fast. We started this like at 10, so we're about to get it installed and then we should be almost done. So let's do it. All right, guys, and just like that, we just finished up stars and installing it, so let's check it out. So how it's looking, nice little red accents, but the stars, of course, going crazy, making this car pop out even more. But yeah, guys, it's been another successful day, and until next time, we should be on our trip.
Guys, we started at 9:45. It is 11:19.
11:19.
Less than 2 hours.
Less than 2 hours. So you already know, guys. Tap in.